Hello, my name is Kevin Vermette. I bought this product. It's called Prissy. It's great for traveling. Here's the box. It is wonderful. You can buy it from Amazon and eBay. It's very light and I used several times. Here's a power switch right here, very easy. And again, it's good for traveling. Here's a nice bag comes in. The box is not very big, and I mean, when you travel, fits in your suitcase, wonderful. And it folds just like this. It's great. It folds like has wings. How handy is that? And here it says right there. You turn it on, it has different settings. You just hold like that, fits your hand, very light. This is a wonderful product. You must buy. I love it. Better than the normal iron. When you travel, it's great, man. Fits in a suitcase. Best product ever buy. It's a buy from Amazon or eBay. It's wonderful. So here's the bag again. It's great. It's easy and lightweight. It's simple, and I would get it. Wonderful. So it's a great product. 2 thumbs up for it. It's great.